Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a spa and the controls are made by Joyonway, and on the display you're getting an F1 error and you're trying to figure out what is the F1 error and what do you need to do about it. So real quickly, on some of them it will actually say F1 and then followed by the error. Sometimes it just comes up with the F1 error. And basically what the F1 error is that it is sensing that the temperature sensor is disconnected. Now, this could be happening for one of two reasons. One is the temperatures, or really a few different reasons. The most common one is the temperature sensor is in fact disconnected. You'll just need to check and make sure it's disconnected. The other thing that could be happening is the temperature sensor could be faulty, and you may need to replace the temperature sensor. Some more other reasons that might be going on is there could be an issue with some wiring between the sensor and the control board, or the control board itself could be fried, and it's kind of giving you up this error as a random error because the problem is actually on the control board.